Alright, so to create our Exness account, we're gonna open our browser. So I'm gonna use Chrome. Click on that to open your browser. Now I'm gonna use this Gmail. Alright, so before then you have to create a Gmail. Make sure you create a Gmail. So I'm gonna use this Gmail. Okay, I'm gonna use this Gmail. So let me copy it. Nice one. Then I want you to type Exness group here. Alright, so this is gonna open. So I don't want you to use the first link. Come to this one, Exness trade online with a leading trading broker. Click on this one and wait for it to open like this. Okay, so next thing you can do is to hit on register either here or here. Okay, so I'm gonna click here, register. Alright, so the very first thing you have to do is to select your country or region of residence. So you can click here, then choose your country. I'm from Ghana, so I'm gonna choose Ghana. Okay, so if you are from Nigeria, just type Nigeria. Alright, then choose your country. Wherever that you are watching me, just type there and choose your country. So I'm gonna use Ghana like this, then enter your email. So I'm gonna paste the email that I copied here. This is just a demo account that I'm gonna create. Then you have to choose a password, but make sure your password is between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least one number, then at least one special character. So make sure you follow everything. Okay, so I'm gonna create my password. If you're a beginner, just screenshot everything so that when you forget yourself, you can go back and check. Okay, when you follow everything here, everything will check green. Okay, so next is to agree to the terms and conditions here. Now next is to click on continue. So you can actually save your password like this. Click here to save. No thanks. Alright, so Exness will also like to send you notifications. So if you agree to that, you can allow, but I'm not gonna allow this. So I'm gonna hit on block. Alright, next is to create either a demo account or a rare account. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is to hit on rare account. So this will load. Okay, so now next thing we have to do is to verify our account. So hit on what? Complete profile. So we have 3 more steps to unlock deposit. So now we have to confirm our email, confirm our phone number, add profile information. So to do that, let's click on get started now, and they will send us a verification code. So let's check that. Okay, so as you can see, this is the verification code. Click on that, then copy your verification code like this, go back and paste it here. Simple. Hit continue. Okay, so this one is confirm. You have to confirm our phone number. Click on confirm phone, then you can enter the number, but make sure the number is active. All right, I'm gonna use my Vodafone number. How will you like them to confirm? Either by SMS or phone call, but I will recommend you use SMS so that they will text you a pin code. Hit continue, then they will text you 6-digit code. Let's wait. So I've gotten the code. I'm gonna enter that like this, then hit continue. Everything is simple. So you can see we have also confirmed our phone number. Next is to add profile information. So complete now. So here you have to choose your name. I'm gonna create this account. All right, so this is your first name. I'm gonna cut my surname, then paste it here. Then you have to choose your date of. Then what is the purpose of opening your account? Investing, for savings, employment, rent, birth fund or loans, pension. You can choose anyone that you want. Okay, what is your occupation? Guys, choose your occupation here. IT, education. All right, financial services. So I'm going to choose that, then hit continue. Then please select your total wealth including cash and bank account balance. Okay, so you have to know your total wealth. All right, if you don't know, just choose this one from 0 to 20,000. Then what is your employment status? I'm a student, so if you are self-employed, unemployed, just choose that. Now what is your yearly income after taxes? Alright, so after taking your tax, what is left if you pay your tax? Just choose this one. There's no need for those things. What is your CFD trading experience with a real money trading account during the last 3 years? Okay, have not traded, just choose this one. As a beginner, how long will you need to master trading skills? 6 months plus. Alright, then what is the anticipated monthly income you prepare to invest with Exness? Guys, just choose the first one. Then what is your plan on trading within 1 year? Become a full-time professional trader. What trading instrument do you plan to use? Metals, Forex, you can choose any of them. Then hit continue. How did you know about Exness for the first time? Choose YouTube because you are watching it. Then hit continue. Then all set. For 14 days you can deposit up to 500 USD and trade. After that you will be asked to verify your identity. Okay, so you can click here and verify your identity now, but I've already created an account with Exness. All you have to do is to hit on edit, then upload your Ghana card or driving license. All right, everything is simple. So when you click here, upload document. So after that, data use agreement. Are you a citizen or non-citizen of US? So I'm gonna use none and hit continue. Then verify your identity. Select the country, region that issue your identity. So just choose your country. By default it will select the country that you choose earlier when creating the account. Then next is to select your identity document. So you can use passport, driving license, ID card, front and back will be required. All right, but for now I'm not going to do that because I already have an account with Exness. So after selecting the document, all you have to do is to click here and select the front page of your ID card or your passport. Then click here to select the back page. It's simple. Then after that hit submit. Okay, so when you hit submit, they will verify your account. Now I'm going to log into my main account so that I'll show you how you can create a demo account and start trading if you're a beginner. So after signing up and verifying your account, next time you are opening, just come to sign in. Then I'm going to enter my details. All right, so guys, after verifying your account, how do you open a demo account? If it is real, just select demo account here. All right, now next thing you have to do is to click open new account. Hit on that. All right, so now open new account. You can choose any of these accounts, but I recommend you select standard. All right, as a beginner, choose standard. Then you also have to choose the trading platform that you will be using. I mostly use MetaTrader 4, so I will choose MetaTrader 4 here. All right, if you also decide to use MT5, you can choose that. Let me explain this to you. If you choose MT4 here or MT5, the one that you choose will be the one that you can sign in. All right, I'll show you how you can get the app so that you can start trading Forex. Okay, so I'll use MT4, hit continue like this. Let's wait for it. Anyway, if this video is helping you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now you can see the thing has swapped to what? Real. I want you to click back to what? Demo. So choose demo, and now you have to select your leverage. All right, I would advise you choose 1 to 400. All right, if you want me to come and explain things details, subscribe to the channel. I will come back and show you everything you have to know about Forex as a beginner. So next thing is to set your balance. Okay, so you can enter any amount, but before then you have to choose the currency that you want to trade. All right, mostly I like trading in what? United States dollar. All right, so just select the currency that you want to trade, then you can enter any amount. All right, because this demo account, not real money, so you can use this to practice. If you become perfect, then you find your rare account, then you can start trading live. Okay, so over here you have to give your account a name. Okay, just give it a name, any name Then over here you can, next is to create a password. You can use the same password that you use, but this will be the password that you use to log in on MT4 or MT5, so be careful and also follow everything here. If you are not sure, you can cross check by hitting this icon here. Okay, next is to click on create an account. So when you do that, you will see that account will be added to this one. I didn't continue because I don't want to add more demo account. Alright, so these are all demo account that I've created, and guys, everything here is simple. So how do you link this account to your MetaTrader 4? Subscribe to the channel and I will come back and show you how you can link this demo account to MetaTrader 4 so that you can trade Forex as a beginner. If you find this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Peasy. Until then, see you in the next video. Take care.